Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Knottie Macrame. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a weaving coaster using cotton cord for your home decor. The tools you will need for this tutorial are a knotting board or a cork board, 4 pins with one that's different to mark the beginning of each row, a pair of scissors, a measuring tape, latch hook tool, or crochet hook. For the material, we will need 3mm braided cotton cord. You can also use single strand or twisted cord if you prefer. I recommend not using cords that are too soft as your coaster won't hold its shapes well. And then we cut the following here. To start the coaster, take a 50cm cord and make a loop with it. Take another 50cm cord, fold it in half, and attach it to the loop using a lock's head knot. Continue adding 8 more cords of the same length using lock's head knots. After that, we pull the two ends of the loop to tighten it, while making sure both ends are even. Now, place the design on the knotting board and position the two ends of the loop in front of you. Use 3 pins of the same type to secure the design in place for the knotting. I'm placing the design on my turntable to make the knotting and showing you easier. If you don't have the turntable like mine, that's fine. Just rotate your design towards you as you work. Now fold the 5 metal cords in half and pass it around the 2 cords of the loop. Pin the one that's different from the others to mark the beginning. I'm using the white-headed pin this time. Next, twist the long cords and wrap them around the next 2 cords. This means the long cord that were on top will now be at the bottom of the 2 cords that you should wrap. We continue twisting and wrapping around every set of 2 cords until we reach the white-headed pin. At some point, your long cords might get very twisted. If that happens, just hold one of the cords and start pulling. This will relieve the twist and you can continue wrapping. We just finished the first row of wrapping. Continue wrap another 3 rows using the same technique. The row will finish as a white-headed pin. As you can see, the last wrap has 5 rows in total. And the 2 rows next to it also have 5 rows, including the last head knot on the top. We finish in here to ensure our coaster is even. Now we will start wrapping again, but this time we will wrap 1 cord at a time for the rest of the coaster. Continue twisting and wrapping one by one slowly until you reach a wide-headed pin. This means you should wrap it the entire row. Wrap another 4 rows using the same technique. Keep the tension steady and make sure there are no space between rows. Use the wide-headed pin now to secure the last wrap, and also remove the other pins from the design. Now we flip the design over. Bring the 2 wrapping cords up and cut it about 8 to 10 cm. Then get ready for the finishing touch. For the finishing touch, we will use a latch hook tool or a crochet hook to tuck all the ends to the back. First, use the hook tool to go under all the wraps of the first 5 rows, then pass the cord on the left to the wraps. We do the same with the next cord. Here is the important part. As you can see, the 4 rows at the bottom are the base of the 2 vertical rows where we just passed the cord through. You will need to pass the 2 cords through the 4 rows to create a cleaner tuck. If you don't do this, the cords will show and it won't look as neat. Tuck the next 2 cords in the same way and also the rest of the cord. Now we will tuck the 2 wrapping ends into the back. They don't need to go all the way, just a few rows on the top are fine. After that, use a pair of scissors to trim all the ends close to the wrap. And that's it. You should finish your own coaster using weaving technique. If you wish, you can use fabric glue or glue gun to secure the ends at the back. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to see you again in the next tutorial. Goodbye.